I adore this candle. Hi everyone. Today we're going to do a PR unboxing. I'm really excited about these products. They're quite inexpensive, yet they serve several super fun purposes. One of the items that we're going to be looking at is 3 products from iMethod. One is an eyebrow stencil, the other one is an eyeliner stamp, and then a fill lip gloss. These items were all sent to me by iMethod, and I'm not making any money. These are all just me reviewing the products as they come. So let's begin with the eyebrows. The eyebrow stencil is super fun. It has several eyebrow shapes that you're supposed to compare to your preferred eyebrow. There are instructions telling you where to mark your eyebrow point. The stencils are multi-use, so you can use them forever or until they fall apart, and there are 2 sets of them. I just go ahead and I use one, flip it over, and use it on the other side. To me, that seems convenient enough. The pomade that comes in different colors dries quite quickly so that it won't stain your skin once you flip it on the other side. In order to make sure that I don't do that, I just get some tissue paper and rub that side of the stamp really quickly before I apply it to the other side. The instructions on how to use them properly is once you fit the correct eyebrow stencil, start from the outside, and you should tap the pomade or the color, and you should tap the excess out onto the lid so that you don't have too much product, as the color would be too dark. I love the color match on my eyebrow. There are several different colors. I think I have brown or a soft brown. I will put the name right here and the link in the description so that you guys can find the products easily. You're supposed to tap from the outside in, and you have a choice to align your stencil to either a shorter eyebrow here or a longer eyebrow that goes closer to the middle. Just so that you know, makeup artists, usually they say if you get your eyebrows closer together, it narrows your nose bridge. I don't know. Sometimes it just makes you look angry. That's the eyebrow stencil. I loved it. I'll give it a 10. If you want to clean the eyebrow stencil itself, I use this julep wipe. They're so good at removing makeup residue, even waterproof mascara. The pomade sticks to your skin. Literally, I can put it on, sleep with it. If I don't wash the eyebrow area, the next day I can still use it all day. It doesn't rub off easily. It's probably waterproof. With a little bit of soap it comes out, but with these little wipes, they clean super easy. Also, they recommend that you wash the sponge once a week. And for that, I use this product right here. It's like a solid soap. That's how I wash all of my brushes, and the pomade came out very easily with the soap and the little scrubber that it has inside of it. As far as the stamp, these are super fun as well. I have the 10mm brown color. I think it's brown, but actually it turns out black. And the cool thing about these products is, like, in 10 seconds you can do your liner. It just takes a little bit of figuring it out. You get 2 liners, and one side is going to be your stamp side. One is for the right eye, and then the other one is for the left eye. So one side is the stamp for the wing, and the other side is just a fine felt tip for lining the eye naturally. You want to make sure when you're doing this that you are placing the square edge. It's like a triangle, so you're placing that wider edge close to the tip of your eyelashes to the very end, but at an angle that will follow the under eye. You will have to play with this in order to feel comfortable. But even not knowing, if you just stamp it there and follow the line with the felt tip, you will be fine. I'm really happy with both products. The lip gloss is coming, so hopefully I'll get it here before this video goes live. Another product line that I received, I'm wearing it, and actually I got 3 necklaces from the brand Karative. I'm sure this is coming from China or someplace like that because it did take 6 weeks for it to arrive. So if you're not willing to wait that long to receive your product, this is not the brand for you. One of the necklaces that I received I chose this because one of the shows I was watching, I saw a mom had something similar, and it is one necklace and then it has this little fake diamond on top. I'm sure this is very inexpensive. I will tell you that the gold is incredibly orangey, so you can tell it's not gold, but it's still cute. I wear it. I have worn this for 3 days. I have showered in it and I have not noticed any discoloration. I have not gotten that green cast onto my skin, so I'm pretty happy with it. I will show you the other 2 that I got. The jewelry comes in this really nice box. I was really impressed by it. Has the little tab to pull, really nice. It has a jewelry case, just like an expensive jewelry store box, where you can put your piece right here if you want to package the gift. I thought that was lovely. Not only that, within the box itself, they have a thank you, 100% satisfaction guarantee, which is great. It tells you how to keep your jewelry looking good. Since I got 3 items, each came with their little bag. Gorgeous card. Write a little note right there if you're giving this as a gift. Little envelope, cleaning cloth, to polish your gorgeous jewelry. How about a gift bag to go with it all? If you're giving this as a gift, I really think it's cute that they thought of everything. And like I said, these are not very expensive, but the whole presentation really elevates the gift. Definitely a little bit more, and I'm really satisfied with that. One that I really enjoyed was this little C right here. And for this product, definitely the gold color is much lighter and much more realistic. And I like the kind of roughness of the C, almost as if it were made out of wood. I love this, but you can tell right away that the color between both is very different. See, they come with tabs and they come all saved up into little plastic bags so that things don't get dinged. And I selected this one. A lot of the jewelry that I saw there were not of my liking, but I was really happy with all of these. I think all of these are just so pretty and modern, and I can wear them and feel absolutely comfortable wearing these. And I think they would make beautiful gifts. Also, the site has these super cute music box, jewelry box. Now, this is not something I would use myself, but for a teenager or a millennial, one of those who loves the grand millennial look, I think this box is lovely. Comes in a little outer box, and the jewelry itself, it says, "Love you all my life." Very romantic. My grand millennial loving daughter will definitely enjoy this jewelry box. It has roses, obviously fake, and with a little gold and, you know, the little pinkish colors. And it has a little drawer with the heart. And as you pull it out, it plays. You're my sunshine. And that's where you would put your little gift right there. These are quite expensive, I thought, but it's a cute little grand millennial looking decoration for your grand millennials inspired romantic room. For the last PR item that I have a selection from this candle company called MelodySusie. They have 4 sets of candles, and each one is for a different season. Winter, spring, summer, beautiful fall. Not to bore you with all the scents, I will open each one of these and pick my favorite scent and share it with you. All right, so I have to say that was a lot of unpacking to do. But it was fun. Every time I would open one of the boxes, I would get the scent of the season. And that was super cool because each one of the candles inside of the boxes has a different scent. For example, for spring, wild bluebell, cherry blossom, gardenia and ylang ylang, and jasmine sandalwood. So those fragrances together have a flavor that is special to that specific box. I have to tell you that these are not expensive candles, but I did find something in each one of those sets that I really liked. And if I were to burn them, I don't necessarily like to look at this. I would twist it because the frosted glass is beautiful for each season. Look at the summer. It's like sea glass. It's really pretty. My recommendation to the company is you don't need that label on the front. You can put it down here, or I don't know. Is it really necessary? Because they all say the same anyway over here, like summertime or springtime or wintertime. So the scents themselves are on the bottom, the fragrance. I will tell you the spring was my least favorite set, but I did find this gardenia ylang ylang that was pretty nice. It has a woodsy finish, a green scent to it that I appreciate more than the powdery scents of the other candles. So that was great. I can't wait to burn this. So let's go by season. Let's do summer. And this summer candle, oh my gosh, for an inexpensive candle, I don't know how much these are. I'll put a price here. I think you have to buy them by the set, so I don't know that you can buy a single candle. But the one that I love the most was Blue Sky Beach. And again, I love the sea glass color of the container. It smells like an expensive perfume. So it doesn't remind me of a blue sky in this ocean, but it just smells like a nice, expensive perfume. It smells like one of my friends. It's clean. I'm trying to pinpoint the scent. I am at a loss at what it is in here. It is a sophisticated, well-blended mix of scents that gives you a perfume. Not an offensive, strong in your face perfume, but a clean, fresh summertime perfume. I adore this candle. For fall, I had a toss between two. One is apple cinnamon, and then the other one is juicy citrus. And I'll tell you, juicy citrus is my very, very favorite. And it does smell just like the name says. Oh, it's perfect. It smells like the volcano candle. I'm not even kidding. It is a volcano dupe. I love it. Awesome. Definitely a winner. If I could just get all 4 of them like this, I'd take that. Because it was fall, I did have to pick this one too. It's apple cinnamon. You can smell more of the cinnamon than the apple, but it's not so strong that makes you sick to your stomach. And again, I love the little jar, the glass. Not this part so much, but okay. And for winter, they did have a couple of fragrances that smelled like winter pine. However, this is another one of my lovely favorite. I would buy this by the bucket full if they made this on their own, and it's called Cashmere Woods. Again, like an expensive perfume. This one more like a cologne, but it reminds me of a hotel scent, like a nice hotel scent. It has a perfumey, like the generalized perfumey base. I wish I knew what's in here. I cannot just like the other one, it has a perfume scent, an expensive French perfume scent, but I cannot put my finger on it. I love that. Okay, guys. So those were my 4/5 favorites for the brand. Again, this was an inexpensive PR video, but I was happy with most of the products. I mean, I'll wear this. If I put the price right here, I'll tell you. This is cute, definitely wearable. The candles, I did have my favorites. If they could just make just the specific scent that I mentioned, I would be super happy. And I will really enjoy them. Also, the makeup, easy. And the other day, I went to the doctor and I didn't want to put a full face of makeup on. And literally all I did was stamp my eyebrows and stamp my eyelashes. And off I went. And I felt fabulous. All right, see you next week.